An economy in hibernation, airports spookily quiet, and with business drying up, Virgin Australia's come knocking. It wants a $1.5 billion bailout.
We do support a viable, sustainable aviation sector.
The prospect of taxpayers becoming owners of private companies doesn't stop at aviation.
Identify those strategic businesses and be ready to temporarily nationalise, right? Everything from airlines, airports, childcare, aged care, regional bus lines.
It's already happening, in effect, in the health sector.
They are available as an extension now of the public hospital system in Australia.
Tens of thousands of beds, 100,000 staff and hundreds of ventilators in private hospitals will be marshalled for Medicare. Amid fears public hospitals will come up short when the virus peaks. In return, they get more than $1 billion and a promise to protect them against financial collapse.
We will be guaranteeing the viability, along with the states, of all 657 private hospitals in Australia.
Saving businesses more and more a matter of government focus.
We lost something like 1 million jobs last week. This new announcement has probably brought back comfortably more than half of that.
The $1,500 a fortnight JobKeeper payment for full-time, part-time and casual staff is a jaw-dropping $130 billion third instalment in the federal economic rescue. Big numbers tend to boggle, so here's a comparison. The Rudd government's 2 stimulus packages during the global financial crisis were worth $52 billion combined, or about 4.5% of the economy. So far, the government has spent a shade under $200 billion in direct assistance, or about 10% of GDP. What that means for the budget's bottom line is small surpluses expected this year and next are washed away in a sea of red.
More will be needed and more will be done.
Old economic rules and ideologies have been extinguished by this pandemic, so the hand of government will be back in businesses that haven't felt it for decades. For some, it might be for good, or as long as the debt burden lingers from all these rescues, and that'll be a very long time.